Hi, I'm Dr. Nicholas Dantzker. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon with HighPoint Orthopedics, and I do my surgeries here at Sumner Regional Medical Center. So I was born and raised in Berkeley, California, in the Bay Area, and went to college in the Bay Area as well at Stanford University. After Stanford, I did my medical training for medical school at University of Cincinnati in Ohio, and then came to Nashville, where I did my orthopedic surgery training at Vanderbilt University. And it was there that I got really interested in shoulder, elbow, and sports medicine, and went on to do my sports medicine and shoulder and elbow fellowship at Columbia University in New York. And it was there in my fellowship where I got to do some hands-on training, help care for the New York Yankees and Columbia University, as well as the New York City Football Club, all before coming back to Tennessee to start my practice. So I was an avid athlete growing up and was lucky enough to be healthy overall. So the only doctors I ever saw growing up were orthopedic surgeons, sports medicine doctors. And I actually thought that's what a physician was as I was growing up. And so when I got a little further along in high school and college, I realized that I was fascinated by the human body and thought medicine might be for me. I actually didn't realize that what I was imagining was an orthopedic surgeon and actually sports medicine surgery. And it was as I moved along in my training, and especially got to Vanderbilt, where I realized that I actually do really love sports medicine. I think everyone is an athlete if you move or are active in any way. And I love the idea of sports medicine combining both preventative medicine, meaning making people healthier, and then also treating injuries when they happen. And moving on to Columbia, I just sort of honed that love and those skills. And it's been a really rewarding career for me so far, and I look forward to taking care of patients here in Gallatin. So I chose to be part of Sumner Regional Medical Center and the staff here for a number of reasons. First and foremost is I really felt like the Nashville area became a true home to me and my wife and our family, and that started when I came to Vanderbilt for my training. I just love the community and taking care of patients here. Sumner specifically, I think is important because it really is the community hospital for Gallatin, and that I think provides a specific role more so than standalone clinics or any other sort of practices, that we care for the people who live here, and that's true from cradle to grave and through all parts of their lives. And to be a part of that practice or hospital system that takes care of an entire community is really important to me. I also think that my goal here is to really build a sports medicine footprint and practice that takes care of both the young athletes and everyone who moves and is creative and is active in their lives. And Gallatin, from the club sports to the youth level to high school sports to community college, just has a huge number of athletes who need good care. I really hope to be able to establish both myself and Sumner as the place to go for that care and for the community. So when you come to see me in a clinic visit, we're always going to spend time talking about your injury or what your concern is, but also what your goals are, what you would love to get back to, or where you feel like you're being limited. We'll usually involve some imaging. We can get plain films and x-rays in our clinic, or a lot of patients will come to see me with kind of advanced imaging in hand, and we will spend a lot of time going over that imaging together. I think one of the most important things to a good outcome is that we act as a team together in taking care of your problems and making goals together. So it's critically important that you understand your injury and I understand your goals and your priorities, and then together we make a treatment plan. We can go from there from anything from just some ice and elevation to things as advanced as shoulder replacement or ACL surgery, and we'll talk through all of that. And of course, I'm a part of your treatment team and plan all the way through the end until you're back in your life doing whatever you love. When I'm not at work, you can almost always find me outdoors. I love to be outside with my family. It's my wife and my two coonhound puppies. During the summers, we love to be on the river or outside hiking. Traveling as well is also a great passion of ours, and whenever we have time away from the hospital, we try to make the most of that by exploring the country. Or also, of course, I love professional sports, and being from California, the teams I grew up on are San Francisco 49ers and the Golden State Warriors. I I live and die by them, and I've been quite lucky as a fan to have some success there recently. I just want to thank you for sticking with me and learning a little bit about me and the care that I can provide. I really hope to see you all in the clinic, and if HighPoint Orthopedics Associates can ever be a part of your care, getting you and your family back to moving and doing what you love, we're very excited to see you and take care of you.